I'm at Sertec in Birmingham, an integral part of the automotive supply chain. Let's go through the factory. Every time you accelerate, brake or charge your EV, power flows through the connections of these bus bars. So paper to digital,
yeah,
and they're relying on an apprentice to make it happen.
Yeah, I know it seems quite big, but it's something that Sertec really do. They do like to give apprentices some really business critical projects.
So what are you looking for in young people?
I think for us, we're a business that's built on kind of attitude and behaviours. If you bring that desire to learn, eagerness and willingness to kind of get stuck in, we've got a lot of people around the organisation willing to impart their knowledge and share. So I think the key thing for us is that passion, that drive, that want to learn and push themselves, appreciation for feedback and kind of taking guidance around the organisation. That's really, really important.
What mistakes do engineers think they can't make but should?
Well, I would say engineers can make as many mistakes as they possibly can to learn. My only prerequisite is don't make the same mistakes. So yeah, mistakes are healthy. We use them mistakes as lessons paid for in advance and use them wisely.
James, what the hell happened there?
Essentially, I've just missed our process. So I've picked up a part that hasn't been processed and I've skipped it and I've put it straight into our finished goods, which is a big no-no. And that has essentially just triggered our VAR system.
There, he's gone from A to C. I'm on a mission to prove that working in manufacturing is something to be proud of. Let us know in the comments which factory you want to see next.